Welcome back, everybody, to the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. Chef Eli here with my friend Chef Kim. Today we are making a warm, savory favorite, our Teriyaki Turkey Rice Bowl. This bowl brings together Butterball turkey thigh roast, fresh veggies, and Kikkoman teriyaki glaze, all served over fluffy brown rice. This is a hearty, balanced option that fits beautifully into any school lunch rotation. Chef, you ready to cook?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
And there it is, our turkey teriyaki rice bowl. It's warm, filling, and full of familiar flavors with just a little twist to keep it interesting. Plus, it holds beautifully on the line and it's easy to batch for service. This recipe provides 2-ounce meat alternate, 2-ounce grain, a 1/4 cup dark green, and a 1/4 cup red orange vegetable. You'll find it in the Healthy Pro System recipe number 1792949. Thanks for watching from the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. We'll see you next time.